All right, now, Wiper Party leader has today faulted President William Ruto's cabinet, saying a number of those nominated to the cabinet had questionable integrity issues, with cases against them pending in court. Kalonzo also said they would mobilize Azimio One Kenya coalition MPs to launch an inquiry into the procurement and source of fertilizer being distributed by the government.
While addressing a press conference accompanied by other leaders at the SKM Command Center, Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka criticized President Ruto's selection of the cabinet, saying some of the nominees had ongoing criminal cases and therefore weren't fit to hold public office.
The selection of cabinet secretaries, some of whom have amazingly active criminal cases, people with criminal cases. If I was William Ruto, I would withdraw some of this immediately to avoid national shame and even international shame.
Kalonzo also cast aspersions at the procurement and source of fertilizer being distributed by the government, questioning whether it had met the standards.
We also question how this fertilizer was procured, when it was procured, and where it was sourced from. We have directed our MPs to commence an inquiry into the same.
Kalonzo called on President William Ruto's administration to look into the prices of basic commodities that are still soaring high.
From day one, all costs associated with basic living have gone up. The price of unga and the cost of electricity are beyond the ordinary mwananchi's reach. These are matters we feel should take preeminence in these early days.
Kalonzo also called on Ruto to show a measure of respect for former President Uhuru Kenyatta, having fulfilled a peaceful transition of power, adding that with the campaigns over, it was now time for elected leaders to unite the country and work towards improving the lives of Kenyans.
Advise him to show a measure of respect to a gentleman who was constitutionally handed over power. The season for political campaigns has ended, and the honeymoon is well and truly over. It is now time to act decisively in our various capacities to the benefit of our great people and our great nation.
Trevor Ngendo, Easy Friday.